shit, man. Let's go back. Come on. I'm not messing with that. Come on.
Op